Hello, welcome back. Let me show you how to make a basic bodice. And the first thing we'll be measuring is the length of your blouse. Okay, so I'm measuring from neck to the neck depth. The neck depth, how much you want your neck to go down. So that's just the neck depth. So the next thing is chest line. That's above your bust point. And now bust point. After bust point, I'll measure under bust, and then waist, and then the blouse length. So I'll need to rule all this. Don't forget, this is just a simple drafting. So you need to rule all these points you have marked here to serve as a guide when you are measuring the width of your fabric. So I'm just measuring, just highlighting all the points by ruling it so as to guide me properly when next I'm measuring the width. And now you measure the wideness of the neck. Okay, so the measurement I'm using here is still 3. Then you measure the neck to shoulder. That's the shoulder. Then slant the neck. Slant it to your taste. If you don't want it too slanted, you won't make it too slanted. But it's always good when it's better slanted than when it's not well slanted. So now rule the shoulder to the chest line, not to the bust point. If it's for a man, if you are drafting for any male, either boy or adult, you need to measure to bust point. Please do not make mistake of measuring to chest line for guys, okay? But for ladies, measure to chest line, because ladies always like their fabric to be well fitted. So it's good to measure ladies armhole to chest line, but measure men, boys, every male, measure their own armhole to bust point. Now I'm measuring the wideness of the bust point. Then I'm moving to the wideness of the under bust. For men, you don't need under bust for men. You only need under bust for ladies. Okay, this is the waist. Measure the waist. And don't forget, I'm adding 1 inch, at least 1 inch to all these measurements. At least 1 inch. But if you like, you can make it 2 inches. But when you get to the waist side, when you are slanting from the armhole down, it's not compulsory you touch that mark on the waistline, but at least let your hand be straight enough. If you say you should touch that, it will look funny somehow. So when you are just slant it down,